So, welcome back to the channel. So, this is what 1 month's worth of fertilizer looks like on the field, and you kind of see the head there as it comes through. It's kind of mixed in with all the stuff here. Overcast again today. So the first cut of hay in June is the best. Over here in Ireland in September it's cut again, but the quality is not as good as what you'll get in June. You can see here how high this one here is. That's already up about 2 feet already. Get up here on the camera stick. Like that. So it's a good crop. We had 4 weeks no rain. Only rain yesterday. But even without the rain, it grows very well. What I always do, because I don't sell the hay, I'll get tarpaulin and I'll fill it 3 feet high and I'll wrap it. And I always do that just to keep it as a souvenir from that first cut. My neighbour's stable there up front, keeps a horse there. Over this side. There's the school bus. So, another 6 weeks time, this will all be ready for harvest. Dog leaves, another pest. Alright guys, catch you all in the next video.